TV's wireless earbuds. OnePlus has long been keen on expanding its universe of devices, and their latest device continues this mission. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, helping you find the right device to fit your needs. This is the new OnePlus Watch, and in this video, we'll give you a quick unboxing and hands-on. As most OnePlus packages we receive, the box of the OnePlus Watch comes in red. Over here on the lower right side, it says OnePlus Watch. Flipping it over, you'll find an arrow to guide you. Look familiar? Pulling on it will peel off this plastic. Well, a little bit. All right, let's lift up this lid if we can. There it is, the OnePlus Watch. I'm excited to take a look at it, but let's see what else we're getting in the package. Some user guides and warranty information, and tucked underneath over here, a USB-A charging dock. So this is the OnePlus Watch. OnePlus says they made sure to give the new OnePlus Watch a more timeless aesthetic, and I've gotta agree, it's a pretty good looking watch. It feels solid and premium. The company says the case on each watch sold is hand polish, so that the arc of the case is as smooth as can be. It's a 46mm round watch face with a 2.5D glass for a more seamless transition onto its frame. It's an AMOLED panel. The material is stainless steel with a glossy gray finish. On its underside, what feels like plastic is cool to the touch. The watch comes with only one watch band, black fluoro elastomer. You fasten with this hook and tuck under to secure. But the straps follow the standard quick release system so that you can easily replace them with something third-party. First impressions, it feels well built, it's comfy when worn, and doesn't look big on my very small wrists. The OnePlus Watch runs OnePlus's own custom watch OS, not Google's Wear OS. Navigation is pretty basic. This button over here brings up all the available apps. Another press brings you home. This button is the customizable function key. It's set to workouts by default, but can be set to another app, like the stopwatch. To go back, you swipe to the right, just like on Android. From the home screen, you swipe up to view recent notifications, and down to view some quick settings. It's pretty basic in its current state, but hopefully it gets better over time. The most basic use of any smartwatch, including the OnePlus Watch, is to be able to view notifications at a glance. So for example, if a text message comes in, you can get that notification on your watch too. From there, you can decide what you want to do, if you really need to pick up your phone, and get to that message immediately. You can also use the watch to make and answer phone calls as long as your phone is nearby. But you need to manually add contacts from the Health app. And nope, the watch does not come with a cellular model. The OnePlus Watch comes with 4 GB of storage, 2 of which is actually usable. Getting music on your phone is a manual process, just like the contacts. You'll need an MP3 on your device, and then from the Health app, click Add Music. It's a long process, and I wish there was a quicker way to do this. Now, once the music is on your watch, you can just pair most Bluetooth earbuds and listen to your MP3 from your watch without your phone. I used my OnePlus Buds Z, but had to pair them manually. Hopefully, in the future, in the interests of building an ecosystem of devices that all just work seamlessly together, you don't have to pair your watch with your OnePlus earbuds if they're already paired with your OnePlus smartphone. In markets where the OnePlus TV is sold, you can also use your watch as a remote. I don't have one, so I can't really show that to you, but I'll show you what it looks like right now. I'm told that after 30 minutes, if your watch has determined that you've fallen asleep, it will turn off the TV automatically for you. The OnePlus Watch can automatically detect and track up to 110 workout types. To manually start a workout though, you can just press on this button over here and pick your desired workout from the options. It's got built-in GPS to track your walks or runs, and it's 5 ATM and IP68 water and dust resistant, so not only can you sweat in it, run in the rain, or rinse it off, you can also use it to track your swims. In terms of health-related features, this is no Apple Watch. The OnePlus Watch provides merely the basics: sleep and stress tracking, a heart rate monitor, and a blood oxygen sensor. Here is a complete list of sensors that are available on the watch. The OnePlus Watch comes with a 402 mAh battery that's rated to last up to 14 days on a single charge with average use, and a week with heavier use. Now, say you were to go on a long run with GPS turned on, tracking you all the way, you would have to run a full day before this watch powers off. This charging cradle comes in the box, but no AC adapter is included. OnePlus recommends a 5V1A adapter, so most chargers you have lying around will be more than enough. Speaking of cradle, charging is via these two pogo pins and does not use the Qi wireless charging standard, which means you can't plop it onto your existing wireless charger or on the back of a phone that supports reverse wireless charging. So, is the OnePlus Watch your gadget match? Well, let's first take a look at pricing. The watch will retail for $159 and will be available online starting April 14th, at least here in the US. Considering what else is in the market today, that's a pretty reasonable price tag. While it's already a good-looking, solidly built watch that can do all the basics well, I think in its current iteration, the OnePlus Watch needs further refining. I feel like navigation could be better. Haptics definitely needs some work, and having to manually sync your contacts and your music can be quite a chore. But if you're a OnePlus user looking for a great companion smartwatch at $159, it's definitely worth a look-see. And that was our unboxing and first impressions, or hands-on, with the OnePlus Watch. For more videos like this one, you know the drill, folks. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload new videos. Follow me on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff, and as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.